Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today let me teach you a signature jollof rice recipe I learned from my mom, and the star of the show is geisha fish and sardine. I know you have learned of asu jollof, but trust me, if you try this geisha jollof rice you will bite your tongue. This recipe is so simple. You will cook your jollof rice the normal way, but the game changer here is adding your geisha fish to your jollof rice when it's about to be done before you go in with your butter. This video is well detailed and easy to understand. Now let me walk you through the process. First thing is to boil your protein, and I'm using goat meat because the broth is what I need in this particular recipe. In your clean pot, add your goat meat, onions, favorite spices and goat meat spice. Stir together and cover to cook. Next thing is our pepper mix, consisting of pepper, tatashi, green pepper, spring onion, fresh tomatoes and onions. Put it in the oven and allow it to roast. While that is done, we'll open up our pot and add our blended garlic and ginger. Stir together and add a little water and cook it properly. Our roasted pepper meat is ready. We'll go ahead and blend it. Now our goat meat is also ready. I will now add it in my oven tray to roast it. Like I do say, if you want to cook a jollof rice that will make all your neighbors come out because of the delicious aroma, make sure you fry your spices first. Go in with your tomato paste after frying your spices. And I'm making use of this Gino jollof, guys. Use this for your jollof rice and you will never regret it. Fry this for a while to remove the sour taste from the tomato paste. Then go in with your blended pepper mix. Fry it for a while and add your choice of seasoning. Mine is always bay leaves, chicken flavor, signature jollof spice and salt, as you all know. Then continue frying till your tomato is ready. Add your choice of broth. Another hint I have for you guys is, for a tasty jollof rice, try using goat meat broth. Trust me, when you try this, no going back. Stir again and cover up and allow that to cook well before going in with your washed rice. Cover your jollof rice and allow it to steam. Feel free to stir your jollof rice to allow the spices go round. Now that our jollof rice is almost ready, it's that time we introduce our game changer, which is the geisha fish and Titus fish. Once you add that, stir that around well and be gentle so that your rice won't burn much. Cover up and allow the rice cook till it's soft. Then open up your pot, stir it, add in your butter and your onions, cover up and allow steam to finish the work, guys. If you have foil, I would advise you use foil for this, but me, I didn't use foil because I did not boil my rice earlier. I just used salt to wash it. If you don't know how I do it, please, you can check out our cooking videos to find out how to do it. To get the best jollof rice, please don't boil your rice, only wash it very well with salt and you are good to go. Guys, once you are done with this process, our signature jollof geisha rice is ready. Turn the rice together for the last time and finish up by adding your roasted goat meat on top. I'm not capping, guys, this jollof rice bangs. Plate your food with some plantain, coleslaw, cucumber or any fruit of your choice. My lovers, I'm not kidding, I had 2 plates at a go. Please try this recipe and you will come back to tell me later. I'll be waiting for all your reviews. See you in my next cooking vlogs. Bye, and I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow me for more, please. Thank you.